Hey guys, here at SEMA 24, and I got Brian, the fabricator of this truck, sitting behind us with me. Brian, what's the name of your shop?
Zaccardi Built Garage.
Yep, and he just finished the build on this pickup that's here in our location outside of Central Hall. So why don't we start under the hood? Tell me what motor it's got in it, horsepower, what's going on here?
Perfect. So we got a 2021 LT4 out of a Camaro. It's got a 10-speed trans behind it, pumping 650 horse. And then we did some custom valve covers on it with the shop name. Obviously, we're running the CVF serpentine setup on it.
Yep.
Works amazing. Love the product.
Good, thank you.
Use the product in the past and other builds too.
Awesome.
So works great. We got an entropy radiator in it. Did an intake in-house, Cannon filter.
Yep.
And then we got custom cut 24.5 Alcoas that Todd at Flowboy Motorsports milled down for us. We did a 24-inch tire.
Nice.
And then custom hubcaps too with our shop logo on it.
Nice. And then to fit these, did you make these tubs?
Marco did. So my sheet metal guy Marco with Bullyfields on Instagram, he made custom wheel tubs, recessed the firewall 1 inch.
Oh, no kidding.
Did a custom firewall around the motor and for the transmission. So there's a lot of sheet metal work involved with this truck.
Yeah, you can tell by standing back, there's a lot of sheet metal work going on.
This thing came out of Kansas and it was rotted, like it was just rusted out.
Oh,
so
no kidding.
The bed's been, we skirted the bed down 3.5 inches to lay with the rocker when it all goes down on the ground.
Yep. Use electric compressor for the bags.
Yeah, so we're running 4 Viair 485 compressors that go they're underneath the bed. Can't see them right now.
Everything's tucked underneath and hidden.
Yeah, so 2 Optima batteries, AccuAir for their management.
Yep.
And then the other side's where the Void fuel cell goes.
Cool.
Void welding.
Nice. Yeah, so as we work towards the back of the truck, this looks like a working tow rig. Is it a working tow rig?
Yeah.
Can you actually haul vehicles with it?
I haven't hauled vehicles with it yet, but it does work. So
Yeah.
originally I had a PTO winch. This truck originally was a 4x4.
Yeah.
So I
Okay.
had a big old PTO winch under there. We got rid of that and put a Warren 12K electric winch, which works great. It's hooked up. It does its thing.
Nice.
So we'll be doing some stuff later. We'll actually hook a truck to it and tow it.
Oh, that'd be fun.
Yeah. We got all the lights. Those all work. It's just cool. It's a cool factor.
Right, exactly. Yeah, it's neat seeing something like this lane frame.
Yeah.
What'd you do for rear axle on this guy?
So corporate 14 bolt that's been narrowed and it's got 342 gears with limited slip.
Super nice. Did you do all the suspension work as well in the back, like the Watts link and all that?
So that's all came with the chassis from Porterville.
Okay. Very nice.
Yeah, Noco Stiff out of Tempe, Arizona built their in for us. They narrowed it, and then we're running the Little Shop 16-inch brake kit that has wheel lids.
Awesome, man.
So 16-inch brakes front and rear should stop this thing no problem.
Yeah. I guess there's a lot of weight here. Did you put on scales?
Not yet, but it's heavy.
It's a big girl.
It's heavy. We have 2 lifts in the shop, and this goes on 1 lift, and we just spin the chassis to the other lift and work on it, and then we break it.
Oh, no kidding.
That's how we're doing it.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Well, cool. I won't take up too much more of your time. Thank you so much for showing this, and we'll see you guys next time.
I appreciate it. Thanks, guys.